Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I am going to show you a product. The name is Nisse, Nisse, which is a folding chair that you see. You can fold it and put it anywhere that you want. Even you can hang it on the wall. And this is the chair which I have with me currently is the blue one and also the white one. I'll be showing you both of them. The price is 999 rupees, and the dimension which I see is 45 centimeter and 76 centimeter. So 45 centimeter will be the width and 76 centimeter will be the height. Okay, so these are the two similar chair which I got it from IKEA. First chair which I got it from Market Hall, but the second one I got it from the Circular Hub. Okay, Circular Hub price was literally less. I got it for around 500 rupees. At the same time I got this for 999 rupees. So 999 rupees is approximately $12. This I got it for around $6 to $7. Okay, so when you see the product, guys, the frame is made up of steel, okay, or maybe iron, I don't know. I think so. It's a solid metal. Okay, and the cushion or maybe the portion where you will sit is made up of high fiber plastic, and even the back support is also made up of maybe fiber, and the design is made in such a way that once you pull this up, the whole product will be folded like this. Once it is folded, you can place it or hang it on the wall, or maybe place it wherever you find a very compact space as well. Okay, so here the product description is here. The product name is Nisse, Nisse, and the important thing about the product is that this can withstand a weight of 100 kg, which is 220 lb. The same also goes for the white one. I didn't find any difficulties or any problem when I got it from Circular Hub. The only thing that I noticed was a little bit of scratches here. See the scratches, but it should be fine because you are paying around 50% less price. So I paid around 500 rupees, maybe $5 to $7, and then I got this product. Okay, no other damages, no other problems with this chair. Okay, the frame is again made up of steel. The material inner one is high fiber plastic. Do hit the like button, and if you have any queries or concerns regarding this, put that on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you, and thanks for watching.